Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Latika. So today I'll be doing a makeup look. So this is basically a makeup tutorial that anyone can do. If you are a beginner, you can do it as well. This is a kind of 10-minute makeup look that you can do every day to your work, to your university, to your college, or anywhere. So without any further ado, let's get started. First step is applying a moisturizer, and before that you need to make your face a little damp. So I'm using this green apple refresh facial toner to make my face damp. So here we go. I'll this bottle is kind of defective, so I'm taking a little bit in the hand and applying evenly. You need to do this, and not a professional makeup artist, so if there is some error, sorry. It is not completely absorbed, so here we go. Using this virgin coconut oil as my lip balm. You can use any lip balm. So for the next step is to apply a sunscreen, and you need to apply it to your neck, okay? And for the next step, I only use my spoolie wand to make my eyebrows look even. I do not fill them because my eyebrows are already dark, and if your eyebrows are little lighter, you can fill them. It is completely your choice. Now it's time for concealing and color correcting all my dark and pigmented areas. I will show you 3 methods of blending this concealer and color corrector. You can see I applied concealer and color corrector all at once because I was in a hurry, and you can do it separately. Before you need to apply color corrector before concealer, and you can apply concealer over it to make it look good. You can see I'm blending this color corrector over my mouth area because my mouth area is little dark and pigmented, and I'm applying concealer over it after blending it well. And I blended the concealer also really well, and it already looks shiny. Now I'll show you how to blend with finger. You can see this will give a little pressure to your lower finger, and it blends well. How shiny do I look? Applying this matte loose powder all over my concealed area with this brush versus my finger. Let's see which works better. Using this Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette and applying this beautiful brown shade over my crease line to give my eye a little shape. This is one of the favorite parts when I do makeup, to apply this brown shadow over my crease line because it gives a beautiful shape to your eye, and you can already see the difference. Now applying with a finger, let's see which is better, a brush or a finger. You can see how beautiful it already looks. Then I'm using this ankle brush to give a little wing set to my eye, and I'm using a little darker shade than what I've used in my crease line. This is how I look at the end. Now I'm concealing all the brushed out areas, which will give a little more shape to my winged shadow, and you can see the difference. I'm also applying a little concealer under my eyebrows to give them a little uplifted shape. You can see the difference between two eyes and how beautiful it already looks. Now I'll be using only a single coat of this mascara, and I do not use any eyelash curler because it breaks my eyelashes, and I also do not suggest anybody to use it. This beautiful shade of lipstick as my blush. I don't know, I just love this shade to apply on my cheeks, and I'm applying the same lipstick in my lips as well, and I'm blending it with a beauty blender. That blush was not enough for me, so I'm applying this beautiful peachy shade from my blush palette. And I love it when I apply it in my nose. Oh no, my highlighter is broken. Here I knew that I messed up. But fortunately, I was able to cover it up. Highlighter in daily makeup is completely optional. I don't know, I just like it when I blend my highlighter with my fingers. And this is how it turned out. I think it turned out beautiful. What do you guys think? Will you try this look? My hair looks a complete mess, but okay. Thank you so much for watching my beautiful people. See ya!